Welcome back. We're now in the analysis phase of your Delphi study, starting with the foundation, descriptive analysis. This method gives a clear picture of how experts rated each item without interpreting or judging. It answers, what did participants say? How consistent were their ratings? We start with central tendency, the mean, which shows where most experts placed an item. Next is dispersion, how much ratings vary. The interquartile range, IQR, shows how tightly experts cluster. A small IQR signals strong agreement. The standard deviation, SD, gives a broader sense of overall variability. Concentration describes when greater than or equal to 75% of ratings fall within plus or minus one standard deviation of the mean. A useful consensus benchmark we'll cover further in the next video. Convergence is the percentage change in SD between rounds. A negative value means opinions tightened over the rounds. A positive value means opinions widened over the rounds. Opinions spread further apart. You can also rank items by different indicators to spot top priorities and items of low relevance. A quick snapshot of what stood out. Let's look at a concrete example. Imagine a Delphi study on future healthcare innovations. You included 3 theses. 1. AI-based diagnostics will reduce misdiagnosis rates. 2. Blockchain is essential for patient data security. 3. Virtual reality will be used for everyday medical training. Now the results come in. 1. AI diagnostics. High mean, SD 0.4, concentration 82%, convergence minus 18%. Experts show a strong consensus here. The average rating is high, and opinions are closely aligned. Over successive rounds, participants grew even more consistent in their views. This indicates clear and growing support for AI diagnostics as a top priority. 2. Blockchain. Relatively high mean, SD 1.2. Concentration 68%. Convergence plus 9%. Ratings for blockchain are fairly high, but opinions are much more divided. While some see strong potential, others remain skeptical. Over time, the group's views actually became more polarized, suggesting that blockchain is an interesting but controversial area. 3. Virtual reality. Moderate mean, SD 1.6. Concentration 55%. Convergence minus 3%. Ratings for virtual reality are moderate, with wide variation across responses. Participants don't yet agree on its importance, and only a slight move toward consensus is visible. This pattern suggests that virtual reality is still emerging and somewhat speculative. Your main takeaway? Descriptive metrics help you judge both strength and stability of expert views and guide decisions on priorities, policy, or funding. Participants' comments may help you when interpreting the data. Delphi visualizes, ranks, and calculates all of this automatically. Sortable and export ready. No coding needed. Ready for the next step? In the next video, we'll dig into consensus criteria and how to identify true agreement in your Delphi study. Delphi.org turns expert insight into publishable, visual results. Fast.